Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Notes and creating a new note. This gets you into the workflow immediately. Choose Apple Pencil for handwriting or the keyboard for fast typing because each input method speeds different tasks. Once done, give the note a clear title and add tags. This ensures you can find it later. If you prefer split screen, drag notes to the edge. Make sure to create a folder now so your notes stay organized as you build content. Now focus on capturing and structuring information. Write with pencil for diagrams, type to enter long paragraphs, and use dictation for quick voice-to-text, because mixing modes keeps your note flexible. Insert scans or photos to preserve documents and add checklists for tasks so items are actionable. Use headings and bullet lists to break content into readable chunks. Once you structure the note, use drag and drop to rearrange blocks. This makes complex ideas easy to follow and edit. Finish by syncing and securing your work. Turn on iCloud Sync so your notes appear across iPad, iPhone, and Mac. This prevents lost edits. Lock any sensitive note with Face ID or a password. Export as PDF when you need to share a static copy. If something goes wrong, force close notes, confirm Wi-Fi and iCloud settings, then restart the iPad, because most sync problems are connectivity or account issues. Finally, back up important notes to a folder or export, and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.